know something? They've had another war. Yeah! But the Japanese and Hitler didn't count on our guys fighting and winning. No siree. And through it all, the music was sensational. Why, Kate Smith sang God Bless America. The Andrews sisters warned, don't sit under the apple tree. But my all-time favorite was the Boogie Woogie Bugle Boy.
He was a famous trumpet man from Chicago way. He had a boogie style that no one else could play. He was a top man at his craft. But then his number came up and he was gone with the draft. He's in the army now, a blowing reveille. He's the Boogie Woogie Bugle Boy of Company B. They made him blow a bugle for his Uncle Sam. It really brought him down because he could not jam. The captain seemed to understand, because next to the cap, another drop to the band. And now the company jumps when he plays reveille. He's the Boogie Woogie Bugle Boy of Company B. A toot, a toot-a-toot, a toot, he blows 8 to the bar. The boogie rhythm, he can't blow a note unless the bass and guitar is playing with him. And the company jumps when he plays reveille. He's the Boogie Woogie Bugle Boy of Company B. He was some Boogie Woogie Bugle Boy of Company B. And when he plays the Boogie Woogie Bugle, he's as busy as a busy bee. And when he plays, he makes the company jump 8 to the bar. He's the Boogie Woogie Bugle Boy of Company B. Sleep a boogie every night. Wakes them up the same way in the early bright. They clap their hands and stomp their feet because they know how he plays when someone gives him the beat. Whoa, whoa, he breaks them up when he plays reveille. He's the Boogie Woogie Bugle Boy of Company B. A root, a toot, a toot-a-toot, he goes 8 to the bar. The boogie rhythm, he can't blow a note unless the bass and guitar is playing. Whoa, whoa, hey, man, the company jumps when he plays reveille. He's the Boogie Woogie Bugle Boy of Company B.